And welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Title sponsors of Jamaica's top football competition, the Red Stripe Premier League, this afternoon announced that it is discontinuing broadcast coverage of the games until further notice. The competition is now at the second leg quarter-final stage. Red Stripe says its decision is due to ongoing issues within the Premier League Clubs Association. The company says it will resume regular broadcast coverage as soon as the PLCA has approved assurances that they have come to a complete resolution. TVJ Sports contacted the PLCA Vice Chairman, Carvel Stewart, on what this means for the league.
We're hopeful that appropriate action will be taken in time to encourage Red Stripe to change their mind about broadcasting.
Are you willing to sit again with Montego Bay United to iron out the way forward?
We sat on Friday and ventilated the issues in full, and their decisions were written and communicated, and the behavior continued.
On Monday, Montego Bay United contested their first leg quarter-final game against Arnett Gardens without wearing the Red Stripe logo. Red Stripe says it remains committed to the league and will continue to support and promote local football.